In this video, we'll try not to mix sur and dessus. Sur, dessus. So sur is a preposition and dessus is an adverb. Sur, préposition, dessus, adverbe. So let's start with sur. Sur is a preposition and here is an example. Le livre est sur la table. So remember that by the nature of these words, so préposition, it will automatically introduce something. So it will be connected to, in that case, it's la table, but it must introduce something. It's the nature of the preposition. Le livre est sur la table. It simply means that without anything after, it would not be possible. Le livre est sur, just like that, it's not possible. So it must introduce something. Le livre est sur la table. Whereas dessus, as an adverb, and let's have a look at the example now. Regarde bien le meuble, ton sac est dessus. So as you can see, it's totally different in that case. Hein? Regarde bien le meuble, ton sac est dessus. It's an adverb, so it means that it doesn't introduce anything after. It's not connected to something that it introduces after. It's just connected to the verb. Adverb, it's connected to the verb, and in that case, the verb is être. Ton sac est dessus. And so this is the main point here. It won't be possible to say ton sac est dessus la table. It would be a mistake. If you want to introduce something after, then you go for the preposition.